Jay at Sherway Nissan, and I'm just going to do a quick tutorial on how to set up a Diono out of the box. Now this is our third child restraint system that we are doing for our third child. He's going to be going out of the bucket seat and into a rear-facing seat. Now we decided on Diono, and by no means am I endorsed by Diono or am I getting paid by Diono, but we chose Diono personally because I wanted to have a car seat that I can keep my children rear facing as long as possible. And for this particular Diono, it's a Radian 3R, we can get into a rear facing up to 45 pounds. So we're just going to unbox this. First thing you want to do is you want to unhook this belt, and what you want to do after is just tidy it up inside of your seat. And then you want to push the base down until you hear an audible click. Okay? Your Diono will come with a registration, and it's really important that you fill it out and send it back in or register your seat online. It's the only way for any manufacturer to get a hold of you should there be some sort of recall on the car seat. Now, if you are rear facing, you want to add this to your base. But if you're forward facing, then you would just put this and put it on the back of your car and make sure that you use the tether that's located on the back here. Okay. But because I'm putting this one rear facing, I'm going to make sure I add this. And the way to do that is all you do is line up these little clips into the little holes, okay? And you're going to push down, and then there's going to be a little latch, and you just push that in. Okay? And once that's in, what will happen is that now becomes a reclined position for your child, so that that he's properly aligned when he's sitting rear facing. Okay. One thing I did notice with Diono, having a Diono seat, you actually lose quite a bit of real estate for your front passenger, because you want to make sure that when the car seat is in, the front passenger seat doesn't touch here. And because it's on such a recline, if you don't have a lot of space in your car, you might want to look at other manufacturers or other makers that offer a little bit more space. There is an option where you can get an angle insert, which Diono supplies, which is a foam pad, and you just put it underneath to change the angle a little bit, and you can probably pick up a couple of inches for real estate. But otherwise, I have Diono for all of our children, and the biggest reason was we wanted to keep them rear facing as long as possible. Plus, it comes with a very narrow footprint. So we were able to put 3 Dionos across in our Pathfinder. So if you have any questions about car seat safety, or if you want any of your curious questions answered, please comment below and I'll do my best to get back to you. Thanks for visiting. Jay at Sherway Nissan, where your way is a sure way.